Hello, good morning. This is teacher Jacob, and this class is for eighth grade. Today, we're going to have a special class. It's going to be like a speaking and writing class. In this class, you need to listen and then you need to copy on your notebook and answer the questions. Listen and copy the questions and answer the questions, of course. Next class, I'm going to call you one by one. So you're going to read the question and then you're going to answer the question, okay? That's what I need. So be careful and let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. The question. Question number one is, what kind of a sport do you practice? Repeat. What kind of a sport do you practice? Okay? Repeat. What kind of a sport do you practice? One. Two. How many times do you do exercise? Repeat. How many times do you do exercise? How many times do you do exercise? Two. Three. Do you think do you think doing exercise is good for your body and your mind? Repeat. Do you think doing exercise is good for your body and your mind? Three. Do you think doing exercise is good for you and your body and mind? Four. What is your favorite sport and why? What is your favorite sport and why? Why? Five. Who's your favorite sportman or a sport woman? Why do you like him or her? Repeat. Who's your favorite sport man or sport woman? Why do you like him or her? Six. How's your house? How's your house? I mean, how is your house? So repeat, contraption. How's your house? Six. How's your house? And describe and describe it. And describe it. Seven. How many rooms does your house have? Repeat. How many rooms does your house have? Eight. How is your favorite house? How's your favorite house? How is your favorite house? Contraption. How's your favorite house? Nine. What do you usually do in the dining room and living room? Repeat. What do you usually do in the dining room and living room? Okay? And 10, finally 10, how does your brain work? So how does your brain work? Got it? And finally, number 10, 11, how does your brain learn? How does your brain learn? Okay, so you copy the questions and you answer the questions for me, and see you in the next class. See you individually. You're going to read and you're going to talk. Okay, see you next class.